Hey guys, Disney Collector here with the ocean animals from Playdough. You can find this playset only at Target. Here we have an octopus, 2 cans of Playdough, the little ones, mold for, it looks like a seal, dolphin, and the playmat. Using blue Play-Doh, we're gonna try out this little octopus. We put Play-Doh inside and start pressing. Whoa! This is really cool. Let's make a dolphin. It's a perfect mold. Now we make the seal. Another perfect mold. And there's one more mold we can make with the octopus. The sun. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more Play-Doh right here on Disney Collector.